My name is Teresa Riston. I'm a geoarchaeologist and assistant research professor here at DRI. I've been here since 2015. I started as a postdoc, and I actually volunteered up here while I was a student at UNR. The archaeological sites are not always preserved because of flash floods, because of natural events. And sometimes archaeologists make the mistake of interpreting an absence of sites as a cultural choice. So we really wanted to look at what is natural and what is cultural in the Meadow Valley Wash Drainage Basin in order to help build better interpretations. So after Ken mapped the geomorphic landforms, we actually selected parcels on different ages and types of landforms to go out and do archaeological survey. Archaeological survey is when archaeologists walk 30-meter transect intervals. So we go out and do a grid. We walk a grid along the surface looking for artifacts, which is anything over 50 years old. And so we look for that evidence, and we then record it very precisely. And so we have good documentation of where archaeological sites are, what types of artifacts are represented or features. Features are things like houses or fire pits. And then we know where they're distributed on those landforms. And so that's how we arranged or organized this project by geomorphic landforms so that we could analyze how landform type and age affects archaeological artifact and feature distribution. We have young up to historic and modern sites down in the sort of active channel and floodplain. If we get up further into those tributary valleys and the alluvial fans, we have 5,000-year-old sites, especially up in those rock shelters above the canyons. And then right above, on these really old surfaces on top of bedrock, knolls and such, we do have Paleo-American evidence. So we have those 13,000-year-old projectile points. We know people have been there for at least 13,000 years, and they've been using Meadow Valley Wash's system, but you're not gonna find those first inhabitants in the lower Wash South because of the age of the terraces.